What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Finally 2023. Kind of took the first, I guess the last couple of weeks and the first week of this whole new year off. Didn't really get to do much videos. I think the last thing you guys might have seen was me taking my personal car out to the track, and we did put a few clips of that. Had a little incident, but anyways, we'll get over it. We'll have some updates on that later. Man, 2023 rental came out. We have the blue car, which is George Heitman's car. That thing's, the 6R80 car. We're excited and finally got a new trans in it, so we're gonna go take it to the track, see what it does. Hopefully it shifts, everything's good. If all that works out good, we should get a good time slip for him. And then also Brian's car's coming out. Weather seems to be good. We're definitely gonna try to see if we can go sixes with it. Hopefully the track's there. Hopefully everything lines out and all goes good. But anyways, yeah, first video of 2023. Hopefully it's a good outing and get to show you guys a little bit of what we do at the track. So stay tuned. Here we go, baby. I guess Brian wants to be a little pansy and send this car on a trailer. What a lame-o. What a chooch. Chooch. Where do you want to park? Over here. Got Chilo. We will park over here, over yonders. You know why I'm gonna park here? Because this is where I parked the last time when it wrecked, and I need to get those jitters out. If it comes completely down to the parking spot, the track, and everything in between. Houston Raceway Park, soon to be a big blob of dirt. Unfortunate. I grew up here. I don't like talking about it just because, man, it's tough. Just all the memories and everything with it. But anyways, here we go, man. Let's get it. All right, boys. So I'm here. I'm strapped in, ready to go. Did a spark plug change, and now it should be ready. Adjusted the shocks, got everything where it needed to be, at least for the first pass of today. You ready?
Yes, sir. Are you ready?
Yeah. With Malibu's most finest haircut.
Malibu.
Well, boys, look what's going on here. Transmission did the exact same thing. This is a full brand new transmission. All the parts are new, everything. I got you. Look, and I'm riding on the back of the tow truck. Got Harry's pops, Harry's family out here. Cool people, awesome people.
Yeah, 111 to the 60, bro. Go get your damn kids. Oh my God, bro.
What is that?
111 to the 60.
That a record?
That's a record, bro. That's the first IRS S550 in the 6s.
First?
Hell yeah.
One,
were fighting.
111 to the 60.
1-1?
1-1 to the 60, my nigga.
Vergas. I thought it was a 119 when I looked.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, it took the long way there, too.
Yes, bro. Yeah, I was like, he's gonna get out of it. No, hell no. Yeah, baby. You did it, buddy. You did it, man. Good job, man. You deserve it, buddy.
We
You
deserve it. We, us. We all.
Oh, I was close. I thought 689 with
Hey,
a
if you're-
695 with a 2.
Hey, I told you. Hey, if it didn't take the long way, 6-8 all day.
Yeah, yeah.
111?
It left good.
Bro.
Did you grab it like right when you did, bro?
No, I hesitated a second. I was like, oh fuck, I gotta grab
So
the
it
scramble.
left, and then it wanted to come up,
Yeah.
but it just fucking.
It took it.
Yeah. Shocks did what they were supposed to. Yeah, buddy.
Fuck, bro. Damn. All right, let's
Working
go.
real hard for that
Let's
right
go
there.
fucking Saltgrass. I'm gonna
Let's go. Let's go.
Damn.
There you go, boys. First S550 IRS in fucking sixes. 695 at 201. First hit we did, it was just to the 60. And we saw that the shocks were doing what they were supposed to, so I said run it out. And that's exactly what we did, man. Congrats to everyone involved. Brian, man, he's been a fucking great sport. We test all the time. We're always pushing the limit, and this time it definitely paid off. We got the recipe, that's for sure. We did it, boys, we did it. It's a huge accomplishment. It tells me there's hope for these IRSs, because we went 1-1 to the 60, and it left good. So thank you for the prayers. Thank you for everything and everyone following. Everybody hoping that we did it. We did it.